I would really like to ask you is that modeling itself is considered to be a very sexist and a very difficult industry to crack. So, what made you take it up, and what made you have a modeling agency of your own? Because what we believe is that modeling itself is a very competitive, and women, they really have to go through a lot in this profession. So, how has your journey been, and what do you think about this entire profession as such?
Well, when I started modeling, my father was a little skeptical about sending me for. I won Ford Supermodel in India. That's how I started my career. And I mean, I can, for the record, I'll tell you that nobody in the fashion industry has ever raped me. It has always been men that I wanted to get close with or I wanted to date, and those are the people who have taken advantage of me. But for me, modeling has been a very professional way of doing things because I'm a straight shooter. I'm not like, I don't go under, I don't have any hidden agenda when I'm talking. If I have to say something, I'm in people's face. But in this industry, it's a sexist industry, yes, when it comes to um, creating roles. It's a sexist industry where it comes to designing outfits, it's a very sexist industry. I think the creative genius of this industry is very sexist. But when it comes to the executional genius of this industry where I am a part of, where I have to create models and send them out for actually doing jobs, I feel like there's nothing wrong that can happen where I'm involved. And the reason that I took it up is because people call me a very dangerous woman, so I'm not scared of anybody. And nobody that comes to me has ever been harassed. And I'm very clear about certain things. When I say women have to do jobs, they have full rights to say no to whatever they think is not okay with them. They want to go naked, they can go naked. They want to finger up themselves in front of the camera, they can do whatever the hell they want. But nobody is going to force their opinion onto these women who work for me. There are segments of the industry which are not at the top where we are, where a lot of exploitation does happen. But I feel like it's not directed towards the women anymore, it's more directed towards the men because there are a lot of uh, great gay men in the industry who are harassing a lot of young male models and they some of them like sex, some of them do not like sex, and the ones who do not like sex are getting oppressed. But when it comes to women, I think like with all those things that are happening in the country and women are becoming more vocal about themselves, the Me Too coming up, and then after the Nirbhaya Khan, and men have taken a back seat when it comes to going up and like being out there and harassing a woman. I think they're much more scared of that now. But I personally have not seen any harassment happen with women in front of me, or at least in the side of territory that I lead. So so far it's been easy, or maybe it's just me because people do not want to get onto my bad side. I don't know what that is because I'm a very abrasive person. If I feel like something's going to happen that I do not like, I'm not going to be like go check on that person. I would go there myself physically and beat someone up with all the
Hmm.
consequences that I can take care of. I have no problem going to jail. I have no problem getting thrashed in my face if I have to, but I'm going to go fight it myself. So I have personally not, I've not seen
Encountered.
oppression, encountered or seen any oppression towards women, at least in modeling. I think modeling right now is very safe for women because इसके बारे में इतनी बात हो चुकी है, people have soft spoken so
अब
much
डरते
about
हैं,
it. अब डरते हैं, बहुत डरते हैं.
अब डरते हैं करने